The V35 Aerobatic Helicopter is a unique and exciting remote-controlled aircraft that combines the classic helicopter design with the advanced capabilities of a modern drone. Designed for fun and versatility, this RC toy features 360-degree stunt rolling, altitude hold, and obstacle avoidance, making it an excellent gift for kids and beginners. Its durable, high-toughness construction and user-friendly controls provide a safe and enjoyable flying experience. 360-degree stunt rolling. The V35's standout feature is its ability to perform spectacular 360-degree stunt rolls. This is not a common feature on many RC helicopters and adds a thrilling, acrobatic dimension to the flying experience, making it much more engaging and fun for users of all skill levels. Fixed altitude hovering and obstacle avoidance. The helicopter is equipped with a fixed altitude hovering system, which allows it to maintain a stable height, simplifying control and making it easier for beginners to fly. This is complemented by a built-in obstacle avoidance system, which helps the helicopter intelligently detect and maneuver around obstacles, ensuring a safer flight and reducing the risk of collisions. Durable and safe design. Constructed from high-toughness ABS and electronic components, the V35 is built to withstand bumps and crashes, making it durable for both indoor and outdoor play. The overall dimensions are 20 by 12 by 10 centimeters, giving it a compact size that is easy to handle and transport. Easy-to-use remote control. The helicopter operates on a 2.4G anti-interference remote control signal, ensuring a stable and reliable connection. The simple controls allow for basic maneuvers like forward, backward, and left or right rotation, making it intuitive for new pilots to pick up and fly. Modular battery for convenience. The V35 is powered by modular lithium batteries, which are easy to install and replace. This convenient design allows you to quickly swap out batteries for longer flying sessions. The battery provides a use time of about 15 minutes on a full charge. In summary, the V35 Aerobatic Helicopter is an excellent and unique choice for a fun remote-controlled toy. Its ability to perform 360-degree rolls, combined with user-friendly features like fixed altitude hovering and obstacle avoidance, makes it a great gift for anyone looking to get into the hobby. With its durable construction and easy-to-use controls, the V35 provides a safe and exciting flying experience for beginners and kids alike. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts.